Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through how you can create your own YouTube thumbnails using Canva. If you are a content creator on YouTube, one thing that is important for you is to create attractive YouTube thumbnails that are going to convince that person scrolling several YouTube videos to click on the link to your video. Because you need that person to enter, to open that door, to click that link and enter and to start watching your video. That is how you're going to build a community. That is how you're going to get more audience or more people to watch your videos. Now, how do you create an attractive YouTube thumbnail? If you're a beginner, maybe you do not have the money to invest in skilled graphic designers that can create for you these kinds of YouTube thumbnails. Maybe you do not have the skill to be this graphic design skill to be able to create your own YouTube thumbnails using complex graphic design software. And maybe you do not have the money to invest in hundreds of dollars worth of monthly subscriptions in complex graphic design software. You can use Canva. With Canva, you can only pay $6 every month, and you will be using a premium account that will enable you to use extensive features of Canva, including features such as posters. You can be able to design posters, you can be able to design videos, you can be able to design logos and several other things. But today, I'm going to take you through how you can design a YouTube thumbnail using this powerful tool called Canva. Well, let's begin. When you go to canva.com, you come to this homepage. Now, assuming you have already created an account. If you've not created an account, then you need to create an account. You can even sign in using your Gmail to make it easier so that every time you sign in, you just need to click sign in using Gmail. Now, once you come to the homepage here, you can come to at the top right corner on this button here, create a design. Once you click on create a design, you are going to see a list of suggestions, and one of them is YouTube thumbnail. Now, another way for you to go to the YouTube thumbnail templates, because when you begin, you need to get templates that you can then edit using their editor. Now, another way for you to get the templates is here. You can be able to just come here and type the YouTube thumbnail. You can even specify the particular template that you want. For instance, if you are doing a travel vlog and you want a thumbnail for a travel vlog, then you can be able to write here, and then you are going to get the app to filter and bring to you templates that are relevant to the kind of video that you are creating. If it is an education channel, it's the same. You can write here and you're going to get this platform to be able to filter down and give you the relevant templates for your thumbnail. Now, today I'm going to just click here. I'm just going to click create a design, and then I'm going to click a thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. Then in a few seconds, this app is going to open for you the editor. What you need to do is to scroll down on the list of templates that you have. You need to scroll down on the list of templates that you have and select a template that works for your particular scenario, that works for your specific video type. Now, you can be able, as I told you in a few minutes ago, you can be able to as well search even on this search bar here. You can type whatever kind of video that you are creating. If it is a travel vlog, if it is an education channel, if it is maybe a music channel, whatever kind of video that you're creating, if you need a specific template, you can be able to search that on this search bar. However, today I'm just going to scroll down and I'm going to just pick one of these templates and that I'm going to use for this video. Now, assuming that my kind of video, the video that I'm creating is about history, yeah, or is about, let's use this one. This is maybe a how-to a video that you've created, and maybe you're a financial advisor or you're creating content on financial management, and now you've created a video on how to manage money. So the thing you need to do is to click on that template and then it will bring you here. Now I'm just going to reduce my image at the corner so that we can have a clear view of this particular template. So as you can see, now you have your template. Yeah. If you like the template the way it looks, if you like the colors, then you can be able to maintain the colors. You can be able to maintain the image. You will only need to change the title. Click on each of them, click on that, and you can be able to change the title. Click on this, you can be able to change the title, or click on this as well, you can be able to change the title. Now, in changing the title, you can be able to choose a different font if you are not pleased with this font. So once you click on that particular title, you can click on this part here, and then it's gonna bring for you the options of fonts that you can choose from. Now, if we go here and say we want to go with this leaks pattern, we click on that, then it's gonna load and it's gonna change that font. As you can see here, it has already changed the font. Now we can be able to even expand this. We can expand this the way we want it, and we can decide as well to click on that and increase the font size. We can increase the font size the way we want it. If you want it to appear bigger on that screen, we can increase the font size. We can change the color. We can change the color. We can make it white. Yeah. Now, once we make it white, we can even come here to the top right corner here under effects, and we can change the effects of that particular font. Yeah, the font that we have used. You can see it has changed to white. Now we can click on that and come here on effects, and we can be able to add some style, make it look good. If you want to make it to look glittery, we can put that to make the white to glitter. Yeah, you can even try this glitch. Yeah, you can try this echo. You can look at that. That looks bold and looks stylish. Yeah, you can try the splice, and as well you can increase the thickness here. Yeah, you can reduce the thickness. So, I mean, you can do a lot of things. You can look at that, by the way. You look at the way that comes out nicely on that. You see the way that comes out nicely. Yeah, it's clear in the sense that it's a little bit white, gray, and so it's visible even when somebody is looking at it on the screen. Yeah, so you can choose whichever style that you want to use, guys. Whichever style that you want to use. You can come to this one as well. You can decide that you want to change the background. Now, if you want to change the background, the yellow background, maybe you want to change it to white or to a different background, you click on this wording here. You can move it down a little bit, or change the location, and you can, for instance, here move it to change the size or expand it to make it bigger. And you can come here if you want to change the wording, the color of the fonts, or you want to change the background color. You can click on this. So if you change the background color, you simply click on the outer background that is in yellow. Or if you want to change the one for this one, you click on the outer. Yeah, on the outer, then it will pop up, it will show these tools at the top, right at the top. Then you click on that yellow, and then you can be able to change that background. You can change it to white that way, and you can go back to this other one and click here to yellow, and then we change the background again. Sorry, we can go do that again. Come back here, and then you click on that white, and then we change the background. Now, if you decide maybe you want to now change the color of the writing, you can as well do that. Change the font, and maybe, or you could decide that it's money. You want to change the color of the font of money. You can choose on that, select that, then scroll down and make the word money come out boldly. You can make the word money come out boldly. That is a little bit not visible. We can make it We can make it this. We can even make it red. I mean, that makes it more visible. What do you think, guys? That makes it visible. So you can design it the way you want, right? Exactly the way you want, but ensure that it's unique, guys, so that it will be attractive. So you can decide to move this here so that they are a little bit overlapping. Then you move this one here. Remember, this one we just changed it to. We just change the color of the font. Now we can twist it a little bit. Yeah, we can twist it a little bit like that. Then we bring it up here. Yeah. Then this one as well, we move it forward a little bit. And then this, I want us to change. I want us to just make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, a little bit bigger, guys. Then we do that. Now, assume that we are okay with the image that we are seeing here. We can increase the size, as you can see. We can increase the size or reduce the size if you don't want the facial image to appear too big. We can increase, then expand the spread of this money on the background all the way to the end. Yeah, we can do that so that this money is just there's money all over spread across that particular background. Then you can click this if you want to change the color of the background, guys. You decide you want to change the color of the background, you can click that, the background color, come here and then change the color of the background. You can make it blue. I mean, you can make it red if you want. If you feel like red is more attractive for you, you can make it white. Yeah, whichever color you choose, guys. But I think this color makes it more visible, guys. So I'll go with that color. Then you can come here, and as we have tested, we can be able to spread these coins for them to really be sprinkled all over the screen, guys, all over the screen. We bring this here, and then what we can do as well, we can. If you want, you can even replicate the notes that we are seeing at the right corner here. Yeah, we can click on duplicate, and then we take those notes and then we bring them here right at the corner, or we can make them right here just below the word money. Yeah, and leave it right there. Yeah, leave it right there. So as you can see, now we have a clear image. You can change even this image, by the way, guys, as I have indicated. You can change this image if you want it. If you want to change it, you can move the image closer to the money. You can do whatever you want to the image. If you want to fade the image so that it's not that visible, you can reduce the transparency here. You click on that, then you reduce the transparency like this. Yeah, then it will not appear. It will appear a little, or it will not be so visible on the background. But I want it to appear so that, because it is relatable, it is a face that is relatable. Somebody wondering about his finances, then with his hand on his chin, that really appears well on the thumbnail, and is gonna make it more attractive, guys. It's gonna make it more attractive. However, I do not think that this font is coming out well. Also, the shape, I want to make this to be upright. I want to return it back to be upright. Then I want to bring it here, yeah, and I want to just bring it a little bit behind there, exactly there. Then I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna reduce the effects. I'm gonna reduce or remove the effects. I'm gonna use this. Yes, I'm gonna use that or use this. That looks better, guys. What do you think? That looks better because it's more visible, it's readable, it's less stylish. Yeah, I can move it a little bit in front or on top there so it stands out, because how to signifies that you are trying to answer a question, and then when somebody reads money in red, then he knows this is about money. Then he can be able to click on that link to watch your video. Guys, we are done. So what we're going to do, guys, is we are going to download this image right away. We are going to download this image right away. We're going to click at the top right corner and just click that, and there's then scroll down. You're going to see this download button here. You're going to click that download button, and then you click there. You can download it in PNG or you can download it in JPG. If you download in JPG, you ensure you bring the quality to 100% so that it downloads the best quality of that thumbnail that you can use clearly on YouTube. Guys, we are downloading our thumbnail here. As you can see there, it's downloading. In a few seconds, it should be downloaded. Yes, there guys, that marks the end of our video. You have downloaded your YouTube thumbnail. Now you know how you can create a unique, catchy, attractive YouTube thumbnail for your videos. Please ensure that you subscribe to support this channel. Thank you.